Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 1. A look inside the body. Continue. Chapter 11. A look inside the body. The heart. There is blood in our body. We take in air when we breathe in. Our blood carries the air to all parts of the body. The food that we eat gets digested. It is again blood that carries the digested part of every particle of the body. For this purpose, it is necessary to keep blood flowing through the blood vessels that spread throughout the body. It is the function of the heart to keep the blood flowing. The heart is an important internal organ. It is in the center of the thoracic cavity, a little to its left. It is slightly bigger than one's fist. The walls of the heart too are flexible. A new term. The heart contracts. The heart becomes smaller. The heart relaxes. The heart returns to its original size. Try this. Place your palm a little to the left of the center of your chest. You can feel your own heartbeat. That is heart. The heart contracts and relaxes alternately without stopping. When it contracts, the blood in the heart is pushed into the blood vessels. At every contraction, it is pushed further and further. A contraction of the heart is called a heartbeat. If you place your hand on the middle of the chest, a little to the left, you can feel the throbbing of your heart due to the heartbeats. At the wrist, there is a blood vessel that flows very close to the skin. If you place your fingers there, you can feel the heartbeats. This is called feeling the pulse. Another important internal organ is lungs. When we breathe in, we take air in through the nose. The internal organs through which this air is supplied to the body are called lungs. We have two lungs. They are situated in the thoracic cavity, one on the right and the other on the left. The heart is between the lungs, a little to the left. There, the left lung has a slight depression. The right lung is slightly bigger than the left lung. A pipe-like internal organ carries the air we breathe into the lungs. It is called the windpipe. The windpipe separates into two branches. Each branch is called a bronchus. When we breathe in, the lungs expand a little. That is why our chest swells up when we breathe in. The functions of the heart and the lungs depend on each other. Both these internal organs are very important. They are situated in the thoracic cavity inside a cage made of bones called the rib cage. That is why they are safe and secure. Let us learn the important internal organ, the brain. The brain, situated in the cranial cavity, is a very important internal organ. It controls all that we do. It is the brain that we become aware of emotions such as anger, joy, sorrow, etc. The meaning of the information collected by our sensory organ is also understood in the brain. Injury to the brain can make one disabled for life. It can even cause death. Hence, the brain needs to be totally protected. That is the function of the shell or casing formed by the skull around it. Do you know? When we learn a poem, it is registered in the brain. That is why we can remember it. This work of remembering is called memory. The structure of our body is very complex. There is a large number of organs inside our body which help it to perform all functions smoothly. It is very interesting to learn about all these organs. Do find out more about them as you grow up. So what we have learned today? The numerous important functions that go on inside our body are carried out by different organs. These organs are inside our body. They cannot be seen from the outside. They are called internal organs. The body is structured in such a way that the internal organs remain safe within the cavities inside the head and the torso. The oesophagus carries the swallowed food from the throat to the stomach. It is situated in the thoracic cavity. The heart keeps the blood flowing through the blood vessels spread throughout the body. The heart is continuously contracting and relaxing. The contraction of the heart pushes the blood from the heart into the blood vessels. The lungs are the organs through which the air we breathe is supplied to the whole body. The right lung is a little bigger than the left lung. The heart and the lungs are held safely in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity. Our brain is very important internal organ. It has a safe place inside the skull. Controlling movements, becoming aware of emotions, and interpreting the information collected by the sensory organs are the functions of the brain. Always remember, in any accident, if the head is hit, the skull can get broken. If that happens, it can cause injury to the brain. Then the person can become disabled for life or even die. That is why one must always wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle or scooter. With this, I have ended my chapter. Thanks for watching.